are taking off, guys. Like take off, like we can take off. Yeah, boy.
Very good evening to all. My name is Ruby Hayward. It's a pleasure to be your in-flight lead on today's flight to Rome. A special welcome to those of you returning from the British Airways Club and those of you joining from the One World Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking, including e-cigarettes, vaping and use of other smoking devices is not permitted at any time whilst on board, and this includes the toilets which are fitted with sensitive smoke detectors. We're pleased to offer free onboard Wi-Fi messaging for all British Airways Club members to enjoy on board today's flight. Shortly you'll be able to connect to BA Wi-Fi or join the club at shop.ba.com to get started. In-seat power is also available within your seat area and will be ready shortly once the seatbelt signs are switched off. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers, and please note